Marisa Major joins us live from home. Can you walk us through what happened here?
I can, Chris. We want to start with where this began, which is at KVU Eats, the Tegna station in Austin. And they were tipped off that a county sheriff's department north of the city was not sharing information about Ambler's death. A week and a half ago, they finally got some documents, and last weekend, they got the video. Again, a warning, it is difficult to watch. It was a car crash that led to a fatal encounter with deputies from the Williamson County Sheriff's Office.
Put your hands behind your back.
A scene all too familiar, with a plea for mercy. The driver is Javier Ambler, a black man headed home from poker night with friends at 1:23 in the morning. It was March 28th, 2019, and he'd soon be dead on an Austin street. 15 months later, his mother's grief is still raw.
I said, "What happened to my son?" He said, "He's dead." And I asked him, I said, "He's dead how? What happened?" And I just lost it.
She is desperate for details about her son's final moments.
Every day I just think about him. I want to know, give me some kind of information. I need to know what happened to my baby. I need to know.
Until now, all investigators have told her is her son died in police custody. Ambler's parents were left to wonder why deputies wanted to stop him in the first place. In records requested by KVU in Austin and the Austin American-Statesman, it shows deputies tried to pull him over for failing to dim his headlights.
This is the first time I'm hearing about that.
Both outlets started investigating Ambler's death this February. For 3 months, the Williamson County Sheriff's Office refused to release any information until the Texas Attorney General ordered them to. We're learning about this case now because the documents came in May 28th, and this past weekend, Austin police released its body cam footage from a system they call.
Flat on your stomach. Flat on your stomach. Flat on your stomach. Flat on your stomach. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
We are stopping a video of Ambler's last moments, but you can hear the audio as deputies check for a pulse. They do CPR, but Ambler was gone. The Internal Affairs report shows deputies J.J. Johnson and Zach Camden tased Ambler 4 times after he refused to comply with their multiple commands to get on the ground or get down. The report concludes neither deputy violated the department's pursuit or use of force policies, and there are no indications any deputy was disciplined. Another report filed with the Attorney General says Ambler died of congestive heart failure and hypertensive cardiovascular disease associated with morbid obesity, in combination with forcible restraint. His death was ruled a homicide. Austin Police and Travis County District Attorney Margaret Moore are looking into the case, and she says Williamson County isn't cooperating.
The investigators charged with the responsibility of determining what happened and thoroughly investigating this case, as there is their usual practice, feel that they have been stonewalled.
In a statement today, Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody said he couldn't comment because of the criminal investigation.
Dad shouldn't have to bury his son.
The Ambler's grief remains. They, like many black parents, have prayed their son would not meet this fate at the hands of deputies. But now, Javier Ambler's name joins a growing list of families who've had their nightmares come true.
That's my boy. That's our firstborn.
KVU's Tony Plahetsky broke this story along with the Statesman, and they dug up one other interesting piece of information. The reality TV show Live PD was rolling in that squad car of the deputy that gave chase the night of this incident. The DA tells us that they have not yet shared any of the video recordings from that night with investigators. Chris?